Have you ever asked yourself, how can I run my business where I'm not physically there, but also the business can survive of its own? The answer is you must have systems that run your business. You must be organized. You must hire quality people that know what they're doing, that have passion for what they're doing. You must focus on projects to accomplish. You must have automated systems that can help you. You must know about technology. You must be able to know your industry. You must be able to know prices and how to run your company. You must know management, sales. Find a way your business can survive where you are not present. Find systems where they run by their own, where people can run them, where later can depend by people but not you.